What if you could build a real AI support agent in 10 minutes? No coding, no complicated setup, just drag and drop. In this video, you will learn to build an AI agent in 10 minutes, and then I'll show you a cheat code that builds it even faster. Let's go. Today, I'm showing you how to build a customer support AI agent, a real one that replies to customers 24/7, no human needed, and we're doing it in N8N. Now, here's the crazy part. We're going to build it two different ways. First, the manual way, so you actually understand what's happening. Then I'm going to blow your mind with something called Text to Workflow Builder. It rebuilds the whole thing in seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. Seconds. But before we get there, let me show you what we're building. Imagine this. A customer sends you a message. Maybe it's an email, maybe it's a chat. They ask something like, "Where's my order?" or "Do you offer refunds?" Your AI agent reads it, thinks about it, thinks, and sends back a helpful answer. All automatic, no waiting, no human support team needed at 3 in the morning. This is perfect for e-commerce stores, SaaS companies, agencies, anyone who deals with customers. And stick around because I'm going to show you how to add memory to this thing, how to connect it to your knowledge base, and how to escalate angry customers to a real human. But first, let's build the basic version. We're starting simple. Customer message comes in, AI thinks, AI replies, that's it. 3 steps. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. Let me show you the workflow diagram real quick so you can see the map. You've got your trigger, that's what starts everything. Then your AI agent node, that's the brain. Then your reply node, that sends the answer back. Simple, right? All right, let's build it. Open up an A10, create a new workflow. Name it Customer Care AI Agent Manual. Now we need a trigger. A trigger is just the thing that wakes up your workflow. For this demo, I'm keeping it super simple. We're using a webhook. That means customers can send a message through a form or a test request. Or if you want to make it even easier, just use a manual trigger. Add a set node and hard code a sample question like, "Where's my order?" This way you can test it without setting up a whole form. Boom, trigger done. Now let's add the AI agent. This is where the magic happens. In N8N, you've got an AI agent node. Just drag it onto the canvas, connect it to your trigger. Now you need to hook up an AI model. I'm using OpenAI here, but you can use whatever you want. You'll need an API key. Don't worry, it's easy to get. Just go to OpenAI, grab your key, paste it in. Done. Now here's the important part. The system prompt. This is where you tell the AI how to act. Type this in. "You are a friendly customer support agent for our brand." Answer in short, clear sentences. If you don't know an answer, ask the customer for more details or suggest contacting human support. Read that slowly. This is what turns a generic AI into your customer support agent. It's all about the instructions. Now connect the customer message from your trigger into the AI agent's user input field. That's how the AI knows what the customer is asking. All right, we've got the brain working. Before we keep going, I want to tell you about something really exciting. If you're loving this AI automation stuff, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. It's a community where we share the best AI tools and strategies. Imagine learning how to save time and automate your business with tools like N8N and customer support agents like this one. We're helping people build smarter businesses with AI every single day. All right, back to making this agent even better. But let's make it a little smarter. Add an if node. This is classic business logic. Here's what we're doing. If the customer message contains the word refund or return, we're going to give the AI a hint. Tell it to mention your refund policy. This is what makes it feel like a real agent, not just a chatbot. You're combining AI reasoning with your own rules. That's powerful. Now let's send the reply back. Pick a channel. For this demo, I'm using Gmail. Super simple. Add a Gmail node. Connect it to your AI agent. Map the AI's response into the email body. Set the recipient to the customer's email. Done. Now let's test it. I'm going to send a fake ticket. My order number 1234 hasn't arrived. What can I do? Hit run, watch the magic. The AI reads it, thinks about it, sends back a helpful reply. Check your inbox. There it is. A real answer from your AI agent. No code, just drag and drop. Now that's cool, but let's make it even better. Let's turn this into a real customer care agent. Right now it answers questions, that's good, but we can make it great. First, let's add memory. Your AI agent needs to know your business, connect it to a knowledge base. This could be your FAQs in a Google Sheet or a database like Superbase, doesn't matter. Just feed some of your company info into the AI agent. Now, when a customer asks a question, the AI pulls from your actual docs. It's giving answers based on your business, not generic stuff. That's huge. Second, let's add escalation. Sometimes customers are angry. Sometimes the AI doesn't know the answer. You need a backup plan. Add another if node. If the AI detects words like angry, complaint, or speak to human, trigger an alert, send an email to your support team, or ping someone on Slack. Now a real human can jump in when needed. This is what makes your agent actually usable. At this point, you've got a basic 24/7 assistant. It works. It's answering customers, it's escalating problems, and you built it in less than 10 minutes. But here's where it gets insane. What if I told you that you could rebuild this whole thing in seconds, not minutes, seconds? Let me show you text to workflow. This is N8N's cheat mode. Instead of dragging all those nodes manually, you just describe what you want in plain English. N8N builds it for you. I'm not kidding. Open the text to workflow feature. It's right in N8N. Now type this prompt. I'm going to read it slowly so you can write it down. Create an N8N workflow that acts as a customer support AI agent. It should receive a customer message via webhook, send the message to an AI agent configured as a friendly support rep for an e-commerce store, use short, clear answers, and if the message mentions refund, order status, or shipping, the agent should give specific helpful guidance. Send the final reply back to the customer via email. That's it, one paragraph, hit generate, watch what happens. The whole workflow appears, trigger node, AI agent node, email node, all connected, all configured. It's basically what we just built manually, but N8N did it for us in seconds. Now you can still edit it, click on the AI agent node, tweak the system prompt, change the sender email, adjust the subject line. It's fully editable. Let's test it. Send the same fake message. My order 1234 hasn't arrived. What can I do? Run the workflow, check the reply. It works exactly like the manual version. Let me show you a side-by-side comparison. Left side, manual workflow. Right side, text to workflow version. They're basically identical. The manual build took us about 7 minutes. Text to workflow gave us a working draft in 30 seconds. That's insane. Now here's what you need to understand. The more detail you put in your prompt, the better the workflow. If you want it to connect to WhatsApp instead of email, just say that. If you want it to pull from a specific database, mention it. Text to workflow is only as good as your description, but once you get the hang of it, you can build AI agents faster than ever. All right, let's wrap this up. You now know how to build a real customer support AI agent. You can do it manually if you want to understand every piece, or you can use text to workflow and get it done in seconds. Either way, you've got a 24/7 assistant that never sleeps, never misses a customer, and can handle basic support questions automatically. Now, here's what you can do with this. Duplicate it for your own business. Whether you're running a SaaS, an agency, an e-commerce store, doesn't matter. This works for everyone. You can also extend it, add WhatsApp support, add Telegram, add multi-channel support so customers can reach you anywhere. And if you want to go even deeper, add a knowledge base, connect it to your docs, your FAQs, your help center, make it smarter over time. The possibilities are endless. And if you want to learn more about building AI agents and automating your business, you need to join AI Profit Boardroom. We're teaching people how to use tools like N8N to save time, help more customers, and grow smarter businesses. Imagine having a whole library of AI workflows ready to go. Customer support agents, sales agents, content creators, all automated. That's what we're building inside AI Profit Boardroom. Comment agent below if you want the full prompt and workflow structure. I'll send it to you, and subscribe because next video, we're giving this agent a knowledge base, and multi-channel support is going to be even better. Thanks for watching. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I'll see you in the next one.